We were holding a session this morning for all members of Parliament. We had discussions through the Secretary General of Parliament to essentially give all members of Parliament a rundown as to how the budget documents work, what's the work that's being undertaken in the lead up to the formulation of the budget that is going to be delivered November the 6th, but more to the point as to how to read the budget documents. You see, head 1, head 2, seg 1, seg 2, the different programs and activities, how to read that, to actually have an understanding how the actual figures are presented, why is it presented in a particular manner, and also help them to be able to question the way that some of the figures have been allocated, why it's been allocated, so point out to them where the areas that they can look for issues that they may think that needs to be addressed. Yeah, what a document, how the document is set out, because a lot of people, for example, some journalists don't even know what do we mean when you say head 1, head 2. What does seg 1, seg 2 mean? And generally, what is contained in seg 1 and seg 2 in any of the programs and activities? So it's good to have that kind of basic understanding of it. And also how to read the document. So for example, you have in seg 5, you may have special projects. And for example, in agriculture, as we were just showing, you may have different programs for sheep breeding, cow breeding, etc. Where is it normally located? So if they know where to find it, then an MP who may be interested, say, in sheep breeding, he or she may ask the minister the question, well, how much did you get last year? Why are you getting only this much this year? Where is sheep breeding taking place? Those types of specific questions can be asked. One of the reasons also we were quite glad to participate in this upskilling is that it also helped expedite the debate in Parliament. Because when people actually know what is happening, they know how to read the document, then obviously we get a better understanding. We don't have to sort of labor the point and try and explain everything when they would actually have that knowledge beforehand.